Welcome back and welcome to a headache, lack of progress and the reasons why. This is probably a little bit unrecognisable at the minute, but this is the bike system that I've built. To run you through it, obviously it's just a strip of wood, and on this side here, just turn it round, you've got the chain cogs with the bike at the far end. Now the motor, let's put it that way, what I've got is I've got one of these plugs into the wall, plugs straight into sort of male and female at that end, and then you've got one wire that obviously comes off that bolt and the other wire that goes onto the tiny little pin there. These in turn go onto one of these motors, and this motor goes through that hole, cog goes on top of the motor, and jobs are good. And you've got a bike that runs, and then just need a thin piece of plastic, paper, whatever you want to use for your top surface to run your bike. Now the problem I've got is I've got one of these. I think this came off eBay, something like that. It's only a couple of quid and it was perfect. However, I did look at these wires that come out of the bottom of this, and I thought to myself, if ever one of those wires was to snap, this isn't going to work. Well, you can guess what happened next. Unfortunately, somebody I know has managed to tape this up. I think he's soldered the inside, it's very small, I have had a look myself, to get it running. Now on Christmas Day I thought I'd treat myself, and I'd just put one of these wires into one end of this onto the outside and one into the middle, and hey presto, this spindle turned round at the speed that it's always ran at to run the bike at a lovely speed. So I thought to myself, if I get this system back in place, put a bit of trunking along the bottom, keep all the wires tidy underneath so we won't have the problem of this wire coming back out again, we'll do that. So today I got up and I thought to myself, that's what I'll do. Today I've gone to wire this in and it doesn't work. This is why I'm now pulling my hair out slightly. Anyway, in the middle of this I did actually purchase one of these. Now this powers a microwave. Now this isn't a DC motor, this is an AC motor, and was about 10 quid. Powered up into a plug with a 1 amp fuse, this will run at a nice speed. However, there's a bit of a size difference, and also this one here will have to be earthed, so this will probably have to be encased, hence a bit of plastic. And if I'm going to do that, then I'm going to rebuild the whole system. Now if you're still with me, you're a better man than me, because I'm even boring myself now. Anyway, this is where we are, and this is why we've had a total lack of progress. Today I was going to hope to have this running to have you to be able to demonstrate a working bike, but we haven't got one of those, and we've just got a few wires, a bit of a mess, and me pulling my hair out. Anyway, onward and upward, Happy New Year. I'm going to put it back, go back to the drawing board, and hopefully in the new year come back to you with a working bike. Thank you very much for watching.